Hello, my beautiful people. Happy New Year. We are in the new year, and so we are very happy that we have seen the first day of this year. We are right in the kitchen. You can see the celebration continues. This is my daughter. Because I'm talking now, you want to go and thief small meat, Abby? So we are preparing. We are going to prepare pounded yam, white soup, and also coconut rice. All is not going to be in this one video because it will be too long and perhaps boring to watch. So these are the things. Let me show you what we are going to use in the preparation. Let me check the yam. Wow, the yam is boiling very well. We have to check if it is soft. Wow, the yam is boiling very well. I need to check if it's soft. It's not soft enough, and so I'm still going to allow it to cook and get softened so that I can pound it. We are in the kitchen, and so we are going to pound. We are going to do pounded yam. This is the yam that you saw that was on the fire. So we are beginning to pound it. You guys, you're going to taste some. Taste more the chicken. Leave this one. You have a big eye.
This one we say.
Wow.
Chair, how many percent is that? This New Year celebration. You should give me that cutter.
And so this is for the soup, right?
Yes.
Good.
You should give me a plate.
This is the thickener for the soup. So after this, we are going to pound the pounded yam. Small plates. And then cover it and allow it to cook for 20 minutes. You need to check your meat. It has begun to boil, and so we have to adjust it a little so that it can mix together. You can see that there is plenty of water in it, as if I added water, whereas it's just that little water that I added. Whereas it's just that little water that I use in rinsing the mortar. The meat has water already. So I'm going to allow it to cook properly. Then I'll remove it and fry and use the sauce for my coconut rice. The meat is well cooked, and so I'm going to remove it and then start frying. edge. Let me check the yam. Wow, the yam is boiling very well. We have to check if it is soft. Wow, the yam is boiling very well. I need to check if it's soft. It's not soft enough, and so it's not soft enough, and so I'm still going to allow it to cook and get softened so that I can pound it. You guys, you're going to taste some. Taste more the chicken. Leave this one. You have a big eye.
This one we say.
Wow.
Chair, how many percent is that right for? Let me come and do this one.
10. Auntie,
I don't know.
Auntie, it's 10%.
This is New Year celebration. You should give me that cutter.
And so this is for the soup, right?
Yes.
Good.
You should give me a plate.
This is the thickener for the soup. So after this, we are going to pound the pounded yam. Small plates. Yes, I have just finished seasoning and steaming the meat. This meat, I'm going to use it for, I just want to fry the meat. That is chicken. This is the sauce. And so, this is the one that I'm going to fry so that we can use it to eat with the coconut rice. So I just feel like showing you some of the things that we are doing in the kitchen right now.
Okay, we are here. Interruption began. What are you doing?
Yeah, pounded yam.
And what are you eating?
Tasty.
You people are finishing this chicken.
Wait, so
Like these guys, they are finishing this chicken for me. Oh.
Tasty.
How can you be testing that whole chicken in your mouth?
you're tasting chicken in your mouth.
My cousin has a YouTube channel too, so I'm actually going to be linking her channel on the description box. You can visit her. She does some very interesting stuff too. Yeah.
Yeah, please do.
Subscribe. However, okay, and
Yes.
my
Please
mom,
subscribe.
my mom is
This one is I video you, you video me. So
like this is typically or however some of the things. Okay, my mom is always cooking and making videos. Yeah.
yeah.
So let me show you. This is the chicken she wants to use for the coconut rice. And I don't know why she divided this, but my mom likes to do ojomo. She will just divide some chicken and start eating it. So I don't know what's the essence of this one now.
Oh God.
And here they said they I hope you're enjoying your own